Israel-based BIRD Aerosystems said today that it delivered a complete ASIO maritime task force solution to an undisclosed African government. The ASIO maritime task force solution provided includes multiple Cessna Citation CJ3 aircraft that the company converted into Maritime Patrol Aircraft, together with BIRD's Advanced Mission Management System, MSIS, which was also installed on a number of vessels as well as at the Naval HQ Command. The ASIO Maritime Task Force solution provides customers with an integrated aerial-naval-land solution. It facilitates maritime and coastal surveillance, patrol and survey of borders and strategic assets, and exclusive economic zone (EEZ) monitoring capabilities. Leveraging BIRD's MSIS for complete mission operational support, including planning, execution, debriefing, online mission updates, and complete situational awareness between all segments, airborne, naval and AMP. Ground, within the task forces, ASIO delivers an extremely powerful, comprehensive and flexible maritime patrol solution, enabling efficient detection, tracking and interception of any suspicious activity at sea.